Oh man, should have checked it earlier this morning, but I got a little behind on my time running out the door to church. But let's go see, make sure that thing dropped down. That thing being the roosting bar for the chickens. Oh look, it did. Cool. It's down. That's good. Doesn't look like anybody pooped in there. You better be laying some eggs. I like this. I like this a lot. All right. Cool. Good job, girls. Good job. Why is there no water in there? Maybe because I jacked it up yesterday.